Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to use a Fanttik D2 laser level. It comes with a bracket that you can mount on the bottom of it, but if we can also just use this setting it down. Now, let's start with just how to turn it on. You can see it's in the locked position right now, so there's two ways I can turn this on. I can just hit the power button for about a second and it will turn on. You'll also see that the battery indicator is there. There are 4 total lights, so this has 3 out of the 4 lights that are on. So they're basically 3/4 charged. I can also just hit this, tap it to change the brightness of the level, and then I can just turn this off by holding it for a couple seconds. I can also turn this on automatically by unlocking the level, and now the level is unlocked, which means that it is now working as a level. And then if I want to turn it off, I can just go back to the locked portion. Now, so when it's on, basically here it is, boom, when the light stops, it blinks while it's searching for level, and then once it's level, it's going to give you that level line. If it's blinking, if it just keeps blinking, it's because it's too far off level to find that it can't give you a level because it's just too far off. You need to get it closer to level so that it can find its level. So you can also use this not only as a level, but just if you want a line for any angle, we just put it in the locked position and then we turn it on. No matter what position I'm in, it's going to hold it like that. And now it's just gonna, whenever I move it, it's gonna blink just to kind of let me know that it's been moved. And then once it gets set, then it's set there again. I can hold any angle that I want with it. Last thing I'll show you is when you need to charge it, you can just charge it right over here. Anyways, if you're interested in this level, I will put a link down below.